Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about VA editor commands. Before that, I am making lot of videos with cloud and DevOps related stuff. I hope these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. It will be encourage me to make lot of videos. Let's dive into today's topic. VA editor is a powerful text-based editor. Basically, it is used in Unix and Linux systems. It is commonly used to creating and modifying the files. There are two major modes with this VA editor. One is command mode for navigating purpose, and another one is inserting mode for typing the text. We are going to see this stuff more into that. Before already logged in with my PowerShell. Here I have the files with YAML. You can take any of the text files basically. We are going to practice with this any of the text file. It can be any extensions like a YAML or TXT, whatever you can take it. Here I am taking this as a one of the text file here. So, as I already said, there are two modes. So for that, yeah, let's see into this. So I am giving VI, and you have to give your file name. You should be on the path where are your files. So here are my files. When I give ls, list the things. So here I'm going to enter into pod.yaml vi pod.yaml. So here you can see that this is my content in my va editor for this text. So currently I am in the escape mode. To go to enter into your insert mode, you have to press I, small I. So once you press small I, you can see under this, it's showing like a insert. Now you can able to type something whatever you want. You can see here I'm typing something letters, right? So here like that you can able to do type. Once you press escape, you came into a comment mode. You can't type something what you can't type anything here. So if you try to type something, it won't type. It is the comment mode. These are the two modes which is basically use. Comment mode, you can go for the navigation. You can see I am pressing up arrow, down arrow, and right arrow, left arrow. So these are basically used to navigate. When you go into insert mode by pressing small I, you press basically I, it will go to insert mode. You can type it. Now I'm giving backspace and I'm giving escape now into the comment mode. These are all the two modes majorly we have with this. And next, we are going to see about how to save the file and how to exit everything. So there are once you go to the comment mode, you can press colon. You can see here I have given colon and shift plus colon. You have to press it, and you have to WQ. Q means it is going to quit. Okay, and then once you give enter, it will come out. So what it means basically, you are going to save and exit from this file. Okay, now if you want to again I'm going insert into the this particular file. Now I'm giving colon wq exclamatory, which is you are going to forcefully exiting from this file. Once you give exist, it will forcefully exist. Okay, if you can't able to forcefully exist, you can give exclamatory as well. Again I'm going into this file, and now exit without saving. You want to exit without saving. For that you can use colon q exclamatory. If you, for example, here I am into the insert mode. Now I am typing something and I am giving escape, and I don't want to save here, and q exclamatory, I just went out. Now if you see this file, you can see here I typed something, but it is not showing here. So you are not saving anything without anything saving. You just want to exist. For that, you can use Q exclamatory. Then you want to save without exist. You also use colon W. Next, for the navigation purpose, I already said you can use the up arrow, down arrow, whatever you want. You can use it. See, you can use up arrow, down arrow, right and left arrow. You can use it. If you want to move to the specific line, you can use colon. Colon, for example, I want to move into 10th line. You can press 10, then give enter. It will move into 10. How you know this is my line, how you know that this is the line number? For that, you can again press colon, give set number, then give enter. Now it is not actually written on your file, but you can see the numbers of your lines. Sorry, your lines, you can able to see the line numbers. Now you want to go into the 15th line. Now press colon and 15th. Now press enter. You can directly go to this line. If you want to go to your 19th line, press enter. It will go to directly go to this. Okay, now you don't want to set these numbers, then set no number. Now the number is gone. So this is how like you can move on to navigate to the numbers. Next, we are going to see about insert and delete the text. If you want to delete some lines or delete the line, you can give you should be on comment mode. You should press on the escape, so you will be on the comment mode now. Now I am clicking D double times. See, now the line is gone. Also, you can press capital D. It will also delete your line. See, I am deleting capital D. Now you want to undo these changes. You want to undo these changes. For this, you have to press small u. Give small u. Second time I'm pressing. Second time I'm pressing again and again. So it's doing undo the same again and again. So this is all the changes I've seen. Undo. Undo is done. Next, you want to delete only one word. Okay, so here I am moving to this letter, and here I want to delete only example. I am pressing DW, one word. I just deleted DW. Now I want to delete same like this word alone, DW. So it's deleted the word. Now I will undo the changes, pressing U. Next, you want to delete some character, single character you want to delete. For that, you can use, see, I'm in between some letters. So I'm pressing X, small x. I can able to delete single letters. Okay. So now I undo is done. Next, you want to delete insert at the beginning of the line. You want to insert something at the beginning of the line. You can use capital I. See, you can use the capital I. I'm pressing capital I. I'm into front of the line. Now I can able to type something. So this like when you give enter, it will go to automatically insert mode and it will go to in front of the particular word. Now I'm giving escape mode, which is on command mode. Now again I'm going here and I'm giving press capital I, it will go to the in front of your word. Now I'm to comment mode. You want to add something in the end of that word, you can use capital A. And see, now I'm into capital A. I can able to type automatically went to into the insert and it will go to the last your word next. You can type something on next. See, I'm into escape. Now I'm giving enter capital A. It's low. It's going to the end of your line. You can append something. Next, we are going to cut and copy. How we can do that? You want to copy some words. So for that you can use double Y. Go to the comment mode by simply pressing W, sorry, Y, double Y, sorry, escape. Now you have to give double Y. Sorry, I'm into not escape mode. Now I'm giving double Y. It's got copied. Now I want to paste it. So for that I'm giving simply small p. See, I can able to paste this. Again I'm pressing small p. I can able to paste this. Now I'm giving capital P. Now the paste above the cursor. I want to paste something on above my cursor. So I'm giving capital P. So it's pasting on above my cursor. You can see here. Above my cursor, it's pasting. Now you want to again cut something. You can use same dd, small dd. You can use it same like you are deleting on the line. You can use it small d. I want to cut this double d. You can see here I want to cut this. Again I want to cut this. So again when I press small p, it will paste it. Again when I press small capital P, it will paste on my above my cursor. It's pasting on my above my cursor. So how like this will work and cut and copy. Next we are going to see the category of search. How we can do the search? By simply going to the comment mode and press slash and search your word. I'm giving search of specs. Now I got the word, this is here. I want to search the next word. For that you can use small n. I'm pressing small n. So it's finding to the next word. So once give enter, then press small n. It's move on to the next word where it is finding. Okay. Now I'm giving again slash. I'm giving app. This is here we have the app. I'm giving enter, then I'm giving n. See, next word is here, then giving small n, again small n, small n. So it will finding next words. So next if you want to previous search match, if you want to find the search on backward, you can use like something question mark then app. So it will find from backward. So now I'm giving this, again giving small n. It's going backward to upward, it is searching. Upward to downward you have to search slash, and upward backward towards backward you need to use capital question mark and then word. And then you have to match with some previous search, you can use capital N. Next we are going to see how we can replace the word. See here I'm giving into enter, sorry, escape mode, then giving colon, then percentage s, then you have to give your world word where you want to replace. I'm going to replace this app. Now I'm giving app, then I'm giving it as application. This is my application. I'm giving slash g. Now I'm giving enter. See, all this app is got changed. Now I want to replace it again with application into this percentage s slash application slash app. Also you can give globally, giving just enter. You can give by G as well as you can give directly here. So this is like you can replace the word. Now I want to enter into the visual mode. For that you can press V, small v. Now you can clicking the right arrow, you can able to select it. Now see, I'm giving just a down arrow and up arrow, it able to select it. This is called a visual mode. And if you are giving into small, sorry, capital V, then you can select entire line. Now I escape, giving capital V, visual line. So this is going to copy the entire line whatever you have. I'm giving only the down arrow. So it's going to entirely it's going to copy. You want to select only the small block. I'm giving escape. Now I'm giving control V. This is going to be the visual block, which means, see, you can see here, simple single blocks it's going to copy. You can going to copy the single block. You can see here, escape, control V, single letter it is going to select. Like that it will do the select on in the select block mode. These are all the commands which which you should aware of on day-to-day activity. um, when you and I have one more tips. When you are into the production, don't use VA editor into the insert mode. Basically, if you have done some modifications, so it will be affect the live environment. So don't use a VA editor into insert mode on the um, production. So you can use like a cat command. Using the cat command, you can view whatever there. And if you want to enter into that and see in the comment mode, and you can set something numbers, and you can see whatever there based on the lines. I hope this video is helpful about this VA editor commands. These are all maybe useful for you. I believe this video is helpful for you. If you find this video is helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos, and thanks for watching.